Hello. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Jovenel Granton, and I've had the honor of knowing Boss Johnson for almost 17 years. We've been through a lot together, and I have to admit, when he asked me to be his best man, I was both incredibly excited and incredibly nervous. Karon gani, dako ko gay ko. Um, Mostly because I knew I had to stand in front of all of you and give this speech. But I'm going to do my best to keep it short, sweet, and hopefully not embarrass boss. Pero may gamay. Now, as the best man, my job is to tell you all a little bit about the groom. Well, I've known Boss Johnson for a long time, and I could tell you a lot of stories. Um, we met Boss Johnson during our college days, way back 2008. Boss, no, 2008. Since then, sige na may kuyog, asang laag, trip man na namulaag, together with Brad JV, nga nasa US karon, wala siya kaari. So, ginatawag na mo ang amoang tulo ka barkada o 3J, Johnson, Juvenile, and GV. So, always may kakuyog, and tingnan po nato si Boss Johnson sa balay, nato po ko sa ilaha, then sorry and Maya, sorry. Kaya una ming nagdulog ni Boss Johnson. Kato lang. And boss, thank you very much. Di po na ako malimtan during that time. Nalimot ko sa itong year, boss, 2017. Katong gikuyugan ko nimo tusong uyab po siya malalod. Nga po, grabe kalayo, grabe ang dalan. Pero lahutay ka dyan siya kuyog na ako. And boss, thank you ato. Kay piso na lang ang pliti, langit na. Okay, so but what stands out the most about Boss Johnson is his loyalty, his kindness, and his ability to make anyone around him feel like a family. He's the kind of guy who would drop everything to help a friend in need. And I know that's one of the many reasons why Anne May fell in love with him. And speaking of Anne May, you look absolutely stunning today. The way you and Boss Johnson took at each other, the way you support one another, it's obvious that you two are meant to be. It's been a joy watching your love grow, and I think I speak for everyone here when I say we're all incredibly happy that you found each other. To the happy couple, I want to say this: marriage is a journey, and I know you both are ready to take it on together. You built a solid foundation, and I have no doubt that your love and friendship will carry you through whatever life throws you away. So everyone, if you could please raise your glasses to my best friend. Everyone, may you raise your glasses. To my best friend, Boss Johnson, and his beautiful wife, Anne May. May your life together be full of laughter, adventure, and of course, endless love. Indeed, God sent to me. So, once again, congratulations and cheers!